In the world of police work, the canine is recognized as a valuable asset for those who work with and alongside of them, as he possesses both tangible and intangible qualities. And as in Barney's case, some are trained and skilled in locating hazardous substances, such as illicit narcotics. But there's much more to having a canine on a police department than just finding things. They become part of your department family. No more or no less than any other member of the department. But his greatest loyalty and devotion was to his faithful partner, Officer Henry Betts. Henry and Barney had a very special relationship. They were inseparable, and they had a solid bond between them, what was obvious every time that you saw them, regardless of whether they were playing or working. I know that Barney was a loving member of Henry's family, and that his family, like our family here, cherished the times they had with him.
I don't believe Barney could ever be replaced. Our best hope is he can only be matched. When you get home today, if you have a pet, spend a little extra time with them. If you've lost a pet, think of them. Do this for Barney.